But my book is fusion of these two books. I have written it in a very different speed, like sketched around dozens of different countries across many continents.
Oh, lovely. Okay, so my third question to you is, what are some of the books or some authors or some genre that inspired you to, write or maybe, read or become an author?
Many books have walked besides me, but two books which cracked something open into me. One was Wild, which is from Cheryl Strait, and another one is from Eat, Pray, Love by Elizabeth Gilbert.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. So both of these books inspired me to live with courage, to discover my own true self and connect with divine. Both of these books give the same liberating lessons that your story doesn't need to be heroic to be, valuable. It just needs to be raw and honest to motivate and inspire others.
That's very important to connect
Yeah.
with readers and general public, because
Yeah.
if you are just writing to be a hero figure or you're just heroifying yourself, I think only a handful of people in the audience will be able to relate to you. But like you mentioned, I think this way of approaching things would resonate with a lot of readers.
Yeah, right. But my book is actually a fusion of these two books, like searching for the same meaning, but I have written it in a very different speed. Like Wild was chronicled around one relentless Pacific Crest trail, but mine is mapped around dozens of extreme adventures across the globe. And Eat, Pray, Love was unfolded deeply into three different countries, but mine is sketched around dozens of different countries across many continents.
No, I get it. I mean, you talk about Eat, Pray, Love, and I watched that movie also. I read the book also. So sorry to interrupt you, but I would want to ask, like, is this book also potentially something that can become a movie later?
That answer I leave on the audience and the readers. If they think that my story is raw and honest, then definitely, yeah, I'm open that if it get selected for a movie as well. But yeah, all I can say that it's raw and honest from my perspective.
Lovely, lovely.